I am Dr. S. Mishra. I'm a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to my channel Now Ask the Doctor. India started the COVID vaccination drive from 16th January 2021 and today is 22nd January 2021, 6 days into this COVID-19 vaccination drive. In the first phase of vaccination, the health workers and the frontline workers will receive the vaccines. Now, for the time being, India is giving two types of coronavirus vaccine. One is Covishield, the another is Covaxin. So, Covaxin is made by the Bharat Biotech in India, and Covishield is the local name for the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine developed in UK. Now, let us first discuss about the Covaxin. So, what is it and what are its side effects? Now, I will tell you about the side effects on the basis of what my colleagues are experiencing and also on the basis of what the manufacturer has to say about it. Right. Now, what is Covaxin? Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine, which means it is made up of killed coronavirus. Bharat Biotech used a sample of coronavirus isolated by India's National Institute of Virology, and when administered, immune cells can still recognize the dead virus, signaling the immune system to make antibodies against the coronavirus. Now, Bharat Biotech has stated that the side effects that have been reported with Covaxin are: number 1, injection site pain; number 2, injection site swelling; number 3, injection site redness; number 4, injection site itching; number 5, stiffness in the upper arm; number 6, weakness in the injection arm; number 7, body ache; number 8, headache; number 9, fever; number 10, malaise and weakness; number 11, rashes; and number 12, nausea and vomiting. Now, apart from this, these are the common side effects, and most of them are common with all vaccination, right? Now, apart from this, Bharat Biotech has said that there is a remote chance that Covaxin could cause severe allergic reactions. These are difficulty in breathing, swelling of your face and throat, a fast heartbeat, rash all over your body, dizziness and weakness. Now let us talk about Covishield. So, Covishield is a local name for the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine developed in UK. Pune-based Serum Institute of India developed and manufactured Covishield through a license from AstraZeneca and Oxford. Now, Covishield is basically made from a weakened version of a common cold virus known as adenovirus from chimpanzees. Now, Covishield is a type of non-replicating viral vector vaccine, which means it makes use of another weakened and genetically modified virus, in this case a common cold chimpanzee virus, to help the body develop immunity against the coronavirus. The vaccine carries just the code to make the spike protein. The body's immune system is supposed to recognize this protein as a threat and work on building the antibodies against it. Now, the very common side effects that can affect more than 1 in 10 people are: number 1, tenderness; number 2, pain; number 3, warmth; number 4, redness; number 5, itching; number 6, swelling or bruises; number 7, general unwell feeling; number 8, fatigue; number 9, chills; number 10, feverish feeling; number 11, headache; number 12, nausea; number 13, joint pain and muscle ache. So these are common. And the side effects that are common and may affect up to 1 in 10 people are: lump at the injection site, then fever, vomiting, flu-like symptoms such as temperature, a sore throat, runny nose, cough, and chills. Side effects that are uncommon and may affect 1 in 100 people are feeling dizzy, decreased appetite, abdominal pain, enlarged lymph nodes, excessive sweating, itchy skin, and rashes. At this point of time, we have many queries and doubts and questions like whether these vaccines will be effective against the new mutant strains or not, whether sufficient antibodies will be generated or not, how long will these antibodies stay and protect us, whether there are any long term side effects or not. So, only time and patience can prove this. Let's hope for the best and let's pray for the best. Now, one thing I have noticed recently that many of us are showing a super casual attitude. Okay? We are not taking things seriously anymore. We are not wearing mask properly. We are not following hand hygiene properly. But this is a very wrong thing. So be aware. There are new mutant strains of coronavirus now, and these are very infectious. And I agree that social distancing is very hard to maintain in our country like India, but still try to maintain it. And wear a proper mask properly. Wear a N95 mask properly. Okay? Not any fashionable mask. So you need to wear a proper mask and in a proper way. Stay healthy and stay safe. And if you find my video informative, please subscribe to my channel for more health related videos and please share this video with your near ones. Thank you.